rain won't stop.
Don't go out, it's so wet. You'll be drenched.
We can't sit here doing nothing all day. Let's play a game then.
A game, huh? I'm the runner-up in second place.
Why don't you want to be first, Mutlu?
Everyone wants to be the first one, so I thought I'll just be the second one. What should we play then?
Play a game? What can we play in the house?
We can play so many games. The important thing here is to be together.
So now, let's pretend there's water right underneath our feet, and I'm the Ninja Diver pilot. Yeah, hey! Look at that. Looks like karate fish to me.
You guys, let's play something else.
Let me pick a word first, and you try to guess it. Ask me questions. I have one.
It's pink.
But how did you guess the right answer so fast? I don't understand.
Well, you are my very best friend. Of course I'll know it.
Are you pretending that you're upset right now? Or did you really get upset, Neşe?
So tell me, what types of games do you play, Ninny?
We play Who Will Make the Most Interesting Discovery.
Believe me, our game is still ongoing.
Okay, let me be the discoverer or fighter pilot, and I'll look for treasure. Aha!
No more television, Mutlu. Let's do something we can all do together.
The lion gets close to its hunt without making itself known.
Oh, look, there are lions. Move aside, sis, I can't see. Oh, what happened?
Lion runs. Never did this. Lion.
I think it's broken, you guys.
Are you getting upset as the discoverer or the fighter pilot now?
I think we should go to my room. We can make a tent for ourselves from blankets. And we can play camping.
Hey!
Well, I hope they don't make a mess, that's for sure.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.